How to block someone without them knowing on Facebook. If you want to block someone on Facebook without alerting them, the process is simple and completely private. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the search icon at the top. Type the name of the person you want to block and go to their profile. Once you're there, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of their profile page. From the menu that appears, select Block. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Block again to finalize it. Once blocked, the person will no longer be able to see your profile, posts, or interact with you in any way on Facebook. They won't receive a notification that they have been blocked, so they won't know unless they search for your name and notice your profile is no longer visible. Blocking is a discreet and effective way to protect your privacy and maintain boundaries without causing unnecessary conflict. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.